Hi students, welcome back. Today we are going to discuss some MCQ questions from triangles. That is very important questions. Okay, then first question. DE parallel to BC, the value of EC is option A 1.5 centimeter, option B 3 centimeter, option C 2 centimeter and option D 1 centimeter. Okay, here DE parallel to BC. Then AD also given there 1.5 centimeter and BD also 3 centimeter and AE is equal to 1 centimeter. Okay, then DE parallel to BC, then AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. AD 1.5 divided by DB 3, that is equal to AE 1, then we have to find EC. Therefore, EC is equal to 3 divided by 1.5, that is equal to 2 centimeter. So, our option C. Okay. Then second question, in the given figure X is triangle LMK, this is PN. Suppose the PN is equal to X and LM is equal to A, angle LMK is equal to 46 degree. PNK is also equal to 46 degree. Okay, then options are given: A, AB by A plus B, B, AC by B plus C, C, BC by B plus C, D, DC by A plus C. Okay. In triangle KPN and triangle KLM, angle K is constant. Then angle KNP is equal to angle KML, that is equal to 46 degree. Therefore, these two triangles are similar by AA similarity. Then we know that Kn by Km is equal to Np by Ml. So, Kn is C and Km means B plus C. Then Np is equal to X, then Ml is equal to A. Therefore, X is equal to AC divided by B plus C. So, our option B. Okay. Then third question, triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle with each side of length 2p. If AD perpendicular to BC, then the value of AD is AD perpendicular to BC. Triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle of side 2p. So, we know that AB, AC and BC are 2p. So, BD is equal to P and DC also P. Then in triangle ADB, AB square is equal to AD square plus BD square. Okay, then AB square is equal to AD square plus BD square. AB means that is 2p. 2p the whole square is equal to AD square plus P square. Then AD square is equal to 4p square minus P square. Therefore, AD square is equal to 3p square. So, AD is equal to root 3p. So, our option B. Okay. Then fourth question, which of the following statement is false? All isosceles triangles are similar. All equilateral triangles are similar. All circles are similar. None of the above. In the case of an equilateral triangle, its three sides are equal. So, we can say that equilateral triangles are similar. And all circles are also similar. But in the case of an isosceles triangle, in which two sides of equal length, thus two isosceles triangles may not be similar. Hence, statement given in the option A is false. Thus, A is the correct option. Okay, understood? Then fifth question, two poles of height 6 meter and 11 meter stand vertically upright on a plain rod. If the distance between their foot is 12 meter, then the distance between their tops is 12 meter, 14 meter, 30 meter, 11 meter. These are the two poles AB and CD. AB 6 meter and CD is 11 meter. They are vertically upright on a plain rod AC. If the distance between their foot is 12 meter, then the distance between their top BD, that we have to find. Okay, this is 6 meter means C also 6 meter and this is total 11 meter. So, D is equal to 5 meter. Okay, B is equal to 12 meter. Then in right triangle BDE, BD square is equal to BE square plus DE square. Okay, therefore BD square is equal to 12 square plus 5 square. So BD square is equal to 144 plus 25. So BD square is equal to 169. So BD is equal to 13 meter. So our option C, 13 meter. In a right angle triangle ABC, right angled at B, if P and Q are the points on the sides AB and BC respectively, then AQ square plus CP square is equal to 2 into AC square plus PQ square. 2 into AQ square plus CP square is equal to AC square plus PQ square. AQ square plus CP square is equal to AC square plus PQ square. AQ plus CP is equal to half into AC plus PQ. Okay, in right triangle ABQ, and this is ABQ and CPB. CP square is equal to CB square plus PB square. Then AQ square is equal to AB square plus BQ square. Then we have to add these two. Then CP square plus AQ square is equal to CB square plus BP square plus AB square plus BQ square. Okay. Then CB square plus AB square. CB square, this is CB square and this is AB square, then we will get AC square. So we can write there AC square plus the next BP square. BP square plus BQ square. BP square plus BQ square. Then we have to draw one dotted line like this. That is equal to BQ square. So we can write here AC square plus PQ square. So our option is C. Then 7th question, it is given that triangle ABC is similar to triangle EDF such that AB is equal to 5 cm, AC is equal to 7 cm, DF is equal to 15 cm and D is equal to 12 cm. Then the sum of the remaining sides of the triangles is A 23.05 cm, 16.8 cm, 6.25 cm, 24 cm. Triangle ABC and triangle DEDF are similar. AB is equal to 5 cm, AC is equal to 7 cm, ED is equal to 12 cm and DF is equal to 15 cm. Okay, these two triangles are similar, then the ratio of their corresponding sides are proportional. So 5 by 12 is equal to 7 by EF is equal to BC by 15. So 5 by 12 is equal to 7 by EF. Then EF is equal to 12 into 7 divided by 5, so that is 16.8 cm. Similarly, 5 by 12 is equal to BC by 15. So BC is equal to 5 into 15 divided by 12, that is 6.25 cm. Then EF plus BC, remaining sides of the triangle. The sum of the remaining sides of the triangle means EF plus BC is equal to 16.8 plus 6.25, that is equal to 23.05 centimeters. So our option is A. Then 8th question, the area of a rectangular triangle is 40 square centimeter and its perimeter is 40 centimeter. The length of its hypotenuse is 16 centimeter, 18 centimeter, 17 centimeter. Data insufficient. Okay, area of a right triangle ABC, and this is C and this is A and this is B. So C is root of A square plus B square. Then perimeter means A plus B plus C is equal to 40 centimeter. Then half AB is equal to 40. That means AB is equal to 2 into 40, that is equal to 80 centimeter. C is equal to 40 minus A plus B. Then AB is equal to 80. Then we have to square this one. C square is equal to 40 minus A plus B the whole square. Then C square is equal to A square plus B square. So A square plus B square is equal to 1600 minus 2 into 40 into A plus B the whole square. Then A square plus B square is equal to 1600 minus 80 into A plus B. And we have to open this A plus B the whole square. A square plus 2AB plus B square. We can cancel this A square and A square, B square and B square. Then 0 is equal to 1600 minus 80 into A plus B plus 2AB. 0 is equal to 1600 into 80 into A plus B plus 2 into AB is equal to 80. Then we can divide the entire equation with 80. Then 20 minus a plus b plus 2. Therefore, a plus b is equal to 22. Therefore, c is equal to, c means that is 40 minus 22. 40 minus 22 means that is 18 centimeter. Okay, c is equal to 40 minus a plus b is equal to 20. So, c is equal to 40 minus 22, that is equal to 18 centimeter. So, our option B, 18 centimeter. The ninth question, the sides of two similar triangles ABC and PQ are in the ratio 9:16. If BC is equal to 4.5 centimeter, then the length of QR is 4 centimeter, 4.5 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 6 centimeter. We know that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Area of ABC divided by area of triangle PQR is equal to BC by QR the whole square, otherwise BC square by QR square. 9 by 16 is equal to, BC is given there 4.5, then 4.5 square divided by QR square, then QR square is equal to 16 into 4.5 square divided by 9, so QR is equal to 6 centimeter. So our option D. Then 10th question, if the ratio of the corresponding sides of two similar triangles is 5:6, then what is the ratio of their areas? 6:5, 5:6, 25:36 and 36:25. Area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle DF is equal to 5 by 6 the whole square, that is equal to 25:36. So our option is C. The 11th question, in the given figure, P and Q are the points on the sides AB and AC respectively of triangle ABC. PQ is parallel to BC and divides the triangle ABC into two parts equal in area. The ratio of PA is to AB is 1:1, root 2 minus 1 is to root 2, 1 is to root 2, root 2 minus 1 is to 1. Okay, PQ parallel to BC, triangle ABC is similar to triangle APQ. Then area of ABC by area of triangle APQ is equal to AB by AP the whole square. 2 by 1 is equal to AB by AP the whole square. Then we have to take square root on both sides. Root 2 by 1 is AB by AP. So therefore, AP is to AB. AP is to AB is equal to 1 is to root 2. So our option C, that is 1 is to root 2. Then 12th question, it is given that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR with BC by QR is equal to 1/4. Then area of triangle PRQ divided by area of the triangle BCA is equal to. Here we know that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. BC by QR is equal to 1/4. Options are 16, 3, 1/4, 1/16. We know that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Then we have to find the area of triangle PRQ divided by area of triangle BCA, that is equal to PR square. Because these two triangles are similar, so we can say that PR square by AC square is equal to QR square by BC square. So QR by BC, that is equal to 4/1. So we have to write here 4/1 the whole square is equal to 16/1, that is equal to 16. That is equal to 16. Therefore, our option is A. 13th question, if triangle ABC is similar to triangle APQ and area of triangle APQ is equal to 4 times area of triangle ABC, then the ratio of BC to PQ is 2:1, 1:2, 1:4, 4:1. Area of triangle ABC is similar to triangle APQ. Then area of triangle ABC by area of the triangle APQ is equal to BC square by PQ square. Area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle APQ means that is 4 times area of triangle ABC. So we have to write here 4 times area of triangle ABC, that is equal to BC square by PQ square. We can cancel these two. Then we will get 1/4 is equal to BC square by PQ square. So BC by PQ is equal to 1/2. So our option is 1:2. So our option is B, 1:2. Then 14th question, the areas of two similar triangles are 81 cm square and 49 cm square respectively. Then the ratio of their corresponding medians is 7:9, 9:81, 9:7, 81:7. A1 means 81 cm square, 2 is equal to 49 centimeter square. So root of A1 by A2 is equal to root of 81 by root of 49. That is equal to 9 by 7. So our answer is 9:7. So our option is C. Then 15th, the sides of two similar triangles are in the ratio 4:9. Then areas of these triangles are in the ratio 2:3, 4:9, 81:16, 16:81. So A1 by A2 is 4 by 9 the whole square, that is 16 by 81, that is equal to 16:81. So our option is D. Then 16th question, a triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle of side 2A, then length of one of its altitude is A root 3, A square root 3, A cube root 2, A root 2. Okay, this is an equilateral triangle, its all sides are equal and AD is the median there. So BD is equal to A and DC also is equal to A. So we have to find the altitude AD. So 2A square minus A square. 2A square minus A square means 4A square minus A square means that is 3A square. So AD square is equal to 3A square. Therefore AD is equal to root 3A. Root 3A. So our option is A. Then 17th question, triangle ABC and triangle BDE are two equilateral triangles such that D is the midpoint of BC. Ratio of the areas of triangle ABC and BDE is A 1:1, B 3:1, C 2:1, D 4:1. ABC and BDE are two equilateral triangles such that D is the midpoint of BC. So area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle BD is equal to area of triangle ABC means root 3 by 4 BC square. This is root 3 by 4 BD square. We can cancel root 3 by 4. Then BC square by BD square. Then BC square divided by BD means that is half of BC. So half of BC square. That means 4 BC square by BC square, that is equal to 4:1. So our option is D. Then 18th question, a ladder 10 meter long reaches a window 8 meter above the ground. The distance of the foot of the ladder from the base of the wall is dashed. Okay, 8 meter, 2 meter, 6 meter, 4 meter. This is 8 meter. This is window and AC is the ladder, that is 10 meter. We have to find BC. So BC square is equal to 10 square minus 8 square, that is 100 minus 64 is equal to 36. Therefore BC is equal to 6 meter. Okay. 19th question, triangle ABC, AB is 6 root 3 centimeter, AC is equal to 12 centimeter and BC is equal to 6 centimeter, then angle B is equal to AB is equal to 6 root 3, BC is equal to 6 centimeter and AC is equal to 12 centimeter. So we can check whether it is a right angle triangle. So AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. 6 root 3 square plus 6 square is equal to 12 square. 108 plus 36 is 144, means 144 is equal to 140. Okay, angle B is a right angle. Therefore triangle ABC is a right angle triangle. So angle B is equal to 90 degree. Our option is D. The perimeters of two similar triangles are 25 cm and 15 cm respectively. If one side of the first triangle is 9 cm, then the corresponding side of second triangle is 4.2 cm, 5.4 cm, 20 cm and 6 cm. Okay, ratio of perimeter of two similar triangles is equal to the ratio of the corresponding sides. Therefore, ratio of the perimeters 25 by 15 is equal to 9 by A. So A is equal to 15 into 9 divided by 25. So A is equal to 5.4 centimeter. So our option is B. Okay guys, study up to here. The remaining questions we will discuss in the next class. Okay, bye.